Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Sia, and in this video I'm gonna give you 5 easy steps so you can practice easily and confidently. Okay, so first step is practice speaking regularly. Okay, so what you can do first you can do is practice 5 to 30 minutes daily and download English language learning app, and you can connect native speaker, and then you can see where area you can improve. So first step is the second step is focus on pronunciation. Listen to native speaker, how native speaker pronounce words, phrases and sentences. Mimic native speakers, how they can pronounce word, how can they speak, and you can listen carefully. Okay, and if you not understand one time, so you can watch again and again, so it's helpful for you. Third step is build your vocabulary and grammar. Daily learn new word. Okay, so how can you build your vocabulary? So reading English text and article, blogs, books, so you can build your vocabulary. Okay, and you also enhance your reading practice. Okay, if your reading practice is good, so you can understand easily. Fourth step is engage in conversation. If someone speak English, so you can connect with them. Okay, and if your native speaker speak this language, and if you not have environment but you speak, if someone if speak in front of you Hindi, so you can think what is this meaning in English. Okay, so what happened, you are thinking in convert in English, so you can think in English, so it's also very helpful for you. And if you have no environment and you think that okay, I'm speak in front of them, so he can laugh at me, so you can download some app, lots of app, Play Store, download there and you practice native speakers. Okay, they are not judge you. Okay, because they know very well you are beginner and they understand you. Okay, so you can practice there, so it's helpful for you. Five step is overcome fear and anxiety. Don't afraid if you do mistake, because you are beginner and it's obvious to you do mistake. So don't think that if I'm do mistake, so I'm not become fluent and I'm not good in English. Okay, if you beginner, so it's basic, it's a normal. Okay, focus on communication. If you speak in front of someone and you speak, you don't think anything, but you listen carefully what someone speak in front of you. If your focusing power is not good, so you can do meditation. It's very helpful for you. If you do meditation, so your focusing power improve and you remember anything in long term. Okay, so you can do this. And what we can do if we do this kind of thing, so we think that, oh, what, I'm not do anything and I'm not fluent in this language because I'm not able to speak. We not start. And remember, English speaking confidently takes time and practice. So be patient, persistent, and kind to yourself throughout your language learning journey. Okay. So this is the end, guys. I hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.